What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to get Minecraft Pocket Edition for absolutely free. And as you guys can see from my phone right there, it does say $0.00 to get Minecraft. Absolutely amazing. And there's much more apps that you can download for absolutely free. We're going to be talking about specifically Minecraft Pocket Edition, but this works for almost any app on the App Store. I'm going to show you guys how to download this. Let's get into it.
With this app, you'll be able to play the game free of charge. And as you can see here, it is fully working, and I'm gonna show you how to get it in iOS devices and also in Android devices as well. I'm already in the game, and as you can see here, it is working for me. I can go into the worlds and play Minecraft. So as I said before, this tutorial works in both devices, Android and iOS. So if you have an iOS device, to get the game installed, there is a couple of settings that you need to change on your phone, just to prepare for the installation of Minecraft Pocket Edition for free. And if you are on Android, then there is no settings that you need to change there, because Android users, they don't need to change anything. They simply need to go to the part where I open the browser, so they can skip to the part ahead where I open the browser and show you the website where you can download this game. And then once you do get the game, you can actually play it free of charge. And as I said before, I'm gonna start with showing you all the settings that need to be changed on iOS devices. But before I even do that, I'm actually playing the game and I wanna wait until it loads, and as you can see here, I'm in the game already and it is fully working. Now without further ado, let me just start by showing you how to get this game yourself, and as I said, this works in all devices. And I'm gonna start by closing the game and let me show you the settings that you need to change on your iOS device. And once we do that, we're gonna get the game together just by following the steps. So firstly, make sure that your orientation is locked on your iOS device just like this. So if you have orientation unlocked, you need to tap on it to lock orientation. Once you're done with that, you need to go to settings. And once you are on the main settings, you need to find the general settings tab and then go to background app refresh and make sure that background app refresh is turned on. For me it's on already, but if it's off for you, if it says background app refresh off, then you need to simply tap on it and then tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data to turn it on. So this is all the settings that you need to change on your iOS device. And if you are on Android, this is the time that you should start following this tutorial, because the steps are the same on both Android and iOS from now until the end. So you need to open your browser and go to this website, which is buellhub.com. So buellhub.com is the website that you need to go, and once you're here, to get Minecraft on your phone is very easy. You can either go on and go at the featured apps over here to start searching for Minecraft, or if you cannot find it here, then you can just scroll down until you find the game. So simply search on the featured apps over here, and then if you cannot find it, simply scroll down until you find Minecraft on the list here, or the best option in my opinion is by using the search bar. So if you go to the search bar and start typing Minecraft, you're gonna see that Minecraft Pocket Edition is gonna show up just like this. So now when you get the app, you need to simply tap on it, you need to tap on Minecraft and then tap on the download now button to basically start downloading Minecraft Pocket Edition on your iOS device. As you can see here, the download has already started, but for the download and for the installation to be successfully completed, you will be redirected in a new window where you need to complete a couple of more steps which are very well explained, and then once you complete these extra steps, only then you'll be able to get Minecraft Pocket Edition on your iOS and Android devices. So I'm gonna go on and show you these extra steps right now, and then you'll be able to get the game yourself once you complete them. So here we are, this is the last stage. It says here that we need to download 2 free apps and complete the instructions for both of them to get Minecraft Pocket Edition on our phone. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna choose 2 apps from the list here, and I'll start with the first app, and in my case I'm gonna choose this one here called Public, because in the instructions it says that I need to simply download the app, install it, and then sign up for an account. So let me fast forward this part of the video while I download this app, install it, and then sign up for an account. Another thing I should actually say, and I should mention, is that depending on the country you're watching this video from, and depending on the device being Android or iOS, you might get different apps to download with different instructions, so don't worry if you don't see the apps that are on my window. So I'm gonna fast forward right now once I actually play the first app for a while and complete the instructions. So once you're done with the first app, you need to go back to the browser and choose another app from the list. I'm gonna go on and choose another app over here, and I'll go with this CyberGhost VPN app because in the instructions it says that it will simply sign up for an account. So let me fast forward this part of the video one more time while I download the second app, install it, and then run it for a while. So I'm gonna go on and complete the instructions for the second app, and once you're done with both apps, the last step is the easiest of them all, because all you need to do next is you need to wait 5 to 10 minutes, and once you do wait 5 to 10 minutes, only then you'll be able to actually get Minecraft Pocket Edition on your phone installed automatically. So thanks for watching, have a good day, and enjoy Minecraft Pocket Edition on your device, and don't forget to like and subscribe.